What's going on, guys? This is Mike over at CyberGlow. Today I wanted to show you real quick how to install our Cybertruck emergency release handles. It's going to be a really quick video. 3 quick and easy steps. First up, you're going to take this rubber piece out from your rear passenger doors. Next, you're going to put your base piece in here, and that base piece is going to click right back into where that rubber piece was. You just want to make sure it's all the way in there. Next, you're going to see your pull handle here. I'm going to pull the pull cord from out here, and then I'm going to wrap that around that piece right there. And then this is our glow handle. I'll show you guys how it glows here in just a second. So I've got that around there. You get that in there, and that's installed. Go ahead and turn the lights off so you guys can see how this thing glows at night. Might be a little difficult to see because the light is still on. I'm going to try to cover this light here. And there's the light covered up so you can kind of see how that glows in the dark there. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at getcyberglow.com. Getcyberglow.com. Thanks. Bye.